So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to be discussing everything about the iPhone 11. There are a few more leaks and rumors, and it's been confirmed by a few websites like Forbes and Digitimes that the upcoming iPhone 11 is not going to be featuring any 3D depth sensing camera module. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, and today's video is going to be just what is 3D depth sensing module, what Apple is going to be doing, and what we can expect in general in that category. So again, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So now let's discuss that what is this technology. Well, the Taiwanese website Digitimes has reported that Sony, which was given the charge of delivering the TOF 3D sensing technology, has delayed its production, and it's expected that it's going to come in the 2020 iPhone lineup. But what is TOF technology? Well, this technology is nothing but just the facial recognition system, the Face ID which the current iPhone backs up. That has a limitation of like 30 centimeters away. You know that when you hold the phone in your hand, the restriction you have with you is about 30 centimeters. But what the 3D mapping system does is, well, the mapping system is so advanced that it can increase that focal length up to 16 feet away. So imagine your phone is on its stand in your car, and you're sitting behind the on the back seat, and you want to unlock the phone. It can get unlocked, and again in various other scenarios wherever you try to put your smartphone. And again, the portrait mode, you can see the vertical and horizontal, the shifting portrait mode is not again rumored to come in the 2019 iPhone lineup, just because the vertical, when you change the orientation of the smartphone, you can say the dot projector is not capable of converting its effect, or you can say converting its already pre-installed technology and changing it as per the user's requirement, as it can damage or it cannot be less secure than the existing one. So guys, again, this TOF camera, you can see the 3D mapping camera, is not a big deal in the 2019 iPhone lineup. It's going to be featuring the third telephoto lens and the wide angle lens, which will make the deal not deal breaking. But again, this was a short news, and I want to share with you guys that the 2019 iPhones are not going to be coming with the TOF technology, or you can say 3D mapping facial recognition system. So hope you have liked this video. It just was a small video just telling about this small news regarding this update from the Taiwanese website Digitimes, and also later post by Forbes. So hope you have liked this video. If you are like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and leave a comment that which video you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and